Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil in your Audi Q5. To begin, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has reached its operating temperature. Then, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. This allows the MMI system to properly read the oil level. You'll use the MMI controls to navigate through the car settings. Once the ignition is on, access the MMI system. Navigate to the main menu and select the car option. From there, you will find a submenu that includes oil level. Select this to view your current oil status. The system needs a few moments to provide an accurate reading, so be patient. The MMI screen will display a digital representation of your oil level, often as a bar graph. A full bar indicates the oil is at its optimal level. If the bar is below the maximum, or if a warning appears, it means your oil level is low. The system will clearly show if oil needs to be added. If your oil is low, add only the specific type recommended for your Audi Q5. Add oil slowly, in small increments, such as 1/4 of a quart at a time. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the level using the MMI system. Repeat this process until the oil reaches the correct level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.